Thank you for joining me for yet another unboxing video. Today we have another budget store find. This time it's IQ Brain Train Game, brought to you by Lagoon. Rewire your gray matter so it's stronger, faster, smarter, your brain just better. This game is for ages 8 to adult for 2 or more players. Real scientists can vouch these exercises are effective and lots of fun too. Are you a brainiac? This box contains puzzles to challenge yourself or play against others who prove who's the real Einstein. Test your brain in the privacy of your own home. This man has trained his IQ. You can too. Lagoon, 8 out of 10 brain owners say they would recommend it. Again, when we look on this real quick, I picked this up for $2.99 and it was actually 25% off on top of that. So it says IQ Brain Train game with supersonic brain cells from the Lagoon Group. Tone up the old gray matter with this brilliant brain fitness game. Divide players into teams and take it in turns to read the 100+ puzzle cards, which feature puzzles of different levels of difficulty. Hi, Rosie. Complete the puzzles before the allocated time in order to win the points for your team. Sometimes you will have to think logically, at other times laterally. The team with the highest score wins. Example of the actual cards. Again, this game was released by the Lagoon Group in 2011. For more information, you can go to thelagoongroup.com. So, let's crack this bad boy open and see what kind of goodness we have on the inside. Another one of these. Hi, Rosie. Another one of these nice tins that we have. So here's our one-page of rules. It says the IQ Brain Train, the challenging puzzle game. How to play. The puzzles contained in this game are suitable for all ages and levels. It is not just for masterminds and Mensa members. This game is crammed full of puzzles, but the type of puzzle is cunningly mixed up so that you need to be able to switch your brain from thinking logically to thinking laterally with the turn of every card. At what level you play the game is entirely up to you. It can be dipped into when the mood takes you, played at a more challenging level to give your gray matter some exercise, or played against time and others or teams to give a competitive edge. As well as the main puzzles, you can tackle the bonus questions that appear on some of the cards. You could also play this in solo puzzling, and tells you the rules of how to do that. And of course, you can do it with teams as well. So there's your basically one page of rules. And you get 2 decks of cards basically. Some of the cards. And you get a second deck as well, which I'll open. Again, I picked this up for, what was it? $2.99 and 25% off. So I said, let's pick it up and see what it's all about. And here is your second deck of cards. So let's just take a look at some of these cards real quick. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but we'll look at some of them. We'll start with this deck here. So, rating, 3 points. Treasure Hunter. On a treasure hunt, if Patricia found a tap and Garth found a rag, what did Pamela find? It's a great question. On a treasure hunt, if Patricia found a tap and Garth found a rag, what did Pamela find? Treasure Hunters. Answer, a map. Reverse the first 3 letters of each to spell out the 3 names. Patricia, tap. Garth, rag. And Pamela, map. Map, tap, and rag. Pamela equals map. Wow. Okay. This one here says kidnap. Just before the intruders came to kidnap him, the scientist scrawled a few numbers on a piece of paper and slipped it under his old-fashioned telephone. His friend found it later and knew who had kidnapped him. Can you work it out? Answer. Each number represents a group of 3 letters on the dial. Try each letter until the message makes sense. The KGB. it's all kinds of brain teasers. So there you go. You got big spender, you got student sum, age-old question, father figure, forgetful grand, petrol paradox, weigh it up, April Fool, egg enigma, family portrait, under the bridge, picture puzzle. You got chocolate temptation, family photo, pencil puzzler, age-old lie, through the ages, penniless, secret liaison, on the button, train vision, slow progress, bar baffler, money matters. You've got will dilemma. You've got coach conundrum, symbol sequence, pizza puzzler, pint puzzler, sorry, close knit, roll out the barrel, traditional impulse, mystery death, safe passage. Let's take a look at mystery death and see what it says here. A man lies dead in the field. There is no other living thing in the field with him, but next to him lies an unopened package. How did he die? It's a great question. I'm not going to give you the answer to that one. Safe passage, hangman, number muddle, in no time, rising tide, water current, no dice, youngest in the family, lottery winner, treasure hunt, figure out, soulmate, driving mad, let there be light, courtroom conundrum, sweet treat, mystery object, sum up, and lagoon group. It says managing editor Simon. All right, gives you information about the people who brought you this great game. It's nice that they have that in there. So that's one deck of cards, and you get a second deck that is similar in nature, which asks you a bunch of questions as well, which I'm not going to go through all of those. But there you have it. 2 decks of cards, the rule set, nice little tray that it comes in, and a nice tin. But that's everything that's included, and that concludes this unboxing of IQ Brain Train Game, brought to you by Lagoon Games. This is for ages 8 to adult and 2 or more players. As always, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing video. It's truly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, you could always give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, you could hit that subscribe button. This way you're kept up to date as to any time that we release any new content to the page. As always, thank you so much for joining us. Be safe, be well, enjoy the remainder of your day, and we'll catch you on the next unboxing video.